Hi everybody, welcome to our channel. If you like the videos in this channel, please subscribe the channel and enable the bell icon next to it. And don't forget to like, comment and share the video if you found it useful. Okay, now let's go to the video.
In this video contains selected general awareness or GK questions and answers from last 3 years of CGL Tier 1 exam conducted by Staff Selection Commission. So let's go into the video. First question is the act that transferred the power from the British East India Company to the British Crown in India was. Options are Government of India Act 1947, Government of India Act 1833, Government of India Act 1835, Government of India Act 1858. Correct answer is Government of India Act 1858. Next question is, who among the following was the last ruler of the Nanda dynasty? Correct answer is Dhanananda. Which of the following article of the Constitution of India provides for the creation of a GST council? Options are Article 246A, Article 279A, Article 269A, Article 323A. Correct answer, Article 279A. Next question is, which of the following statement is correct with reference to the Karachi session of the Congress 1931? Options are the Gandhi-Irwin Act was ratified. Mahatma Gandhi presided over the session. The Khilafat movement was launched at this event. The Quit India resolution was passed. Correct answer is the Gandhi-Irwin Pact was ratified. Next question is, which city in India is world renowned for one of the most traditional embroidery styles, chikankari? Options are Udaipur, Ahmedabad, Lucknow, Hyderabad. Correct answer, Lucknow. Next question is, it's a long question. Industry 4.0 is a complex cyber physical system which synergies production with digital technologies. The Ministry of Railways and the Department of Science and Technology have joined hands in partnership with which institution for taking up a unique project on Industry 4.0? Options are IIT Madras, IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, IIT Kanpur. Correct answer is IIT Kanpur. Who among the following founded the Bombay Stock Exchange? Options are Ashish Kumar Chauhan, Roy Chand Deepchand, Prem Chand, Roy Chand, Vikramjit Sen. Correct answer, Prem Chand, Roy Chand. Which of the following was previously known as the Lady Wellington Park? Options are Mughal Gardens, Deer Park, Buddha Jayanti Park, Lodhi Gardens. Correct answer, Lodhi Gardens. Who among the following never became the Vice President of India? Options are Gulzarilal Nanda, V.V. Giri, Zakir Hussain, B.D. Jetty. Correct answer, Gulzarilal Nanda. Which of the following academies organize the Dance and Sangeet Samaroh in Gwalior? Options are Ustad Alauddin Khan Kala Evam Sangeet Academy, Ravindra Jain Sangeet Academy, Renuka Sangeet Academy, Undirama Sangeet Academy. Correct answer, Ustad Alauddin Khan Kala Evam Sangeet Academy. Bora caves are situated on the east coast of India in which of the following hills? Options are Nagiri Hills, Hosley Hills, Nalamla Hills, Anandagiri Hill. Correct answer, Anandagiri Hill. When we cut a onion, the synthase enzyme convert the amino acid sulfoxides of the onion into which acid? Options are sulfuric acid, sulfonic acid, citric acid, nitric acid. Correct answer, sulfonic acid. Who among the following scientists invented the cotton gin? Options are Norman Borlaug, George Washington Carver, Ellie Whitney, Sony Perdue. Correct answer is Ellie Whitney. Which of the following glands is present between the lungs? Options are pituitary, pineal, hypothalamus, thymus. Correct answer, thymus. Which of the following state does not share the boundary with Bhutan? Options are Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, West Bengal, Meghalaya. Correct answer, Meghalaya. Objects that shine in the night sky are known as. Options are constellations, celestial bodies, meteoroids, asteroids. Correct answer, celestial bodies. In which of the following states is the Medhapur Mela celebrated? Options are Gujarat, Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer, Gujarat. Bolak Art is a dash from the state of Karnataka. Options are painting form, music form, sculpting form, dance form. Correct answer, dance form. Under which article of the Indian Constitution are special provisions provided to language spoken in a section of the population? Options are Article 357, Article 347, Article 374, Article 337. Correct answer, Article 347. Which of the following is not a vertebrate? Options are fish, mammal, bird, snail. Correct answer, snail. Which of the following is the major component of vinegar? Options are lactic acid, citric acid, nitric acid, acetic acid. Correct answer, acetic acid. How many degrees does the earth rotate about its own axis in 1 hour? Options are 24, 15, 20, 10. Correct answer, 15. Next question is, the Araku Valley, a tourist resort, is located near which of the cities of South India? Options are Visakhapatnam, Madurai, Mangalore, Kochi. Correct answer, Visakhapatnam. The ruins of the ancient city of Hampi, capital of Vijayanagara, is located in which present-day Indian state? Options are Bihar, Telangana, Haryana, Karnataka. Correct answer, Karnataka. Which of these institutions fixes repo rate and the repo rate in India? Options are Ministry of Finance, State Bank of India, Controller and Auditor General of India, Reserve Bank of India. Correct answer, Reserve Bank of India. In which period was the legendary Victoria Terminus station, currently Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj Terminus, Mumbai, built? Options are 1843 to 1853, 1911 to 1921, 1878 to 1888, 1933 to 1943. Correct answer, 1878 to 1888. Next question, name the author who won the Sahitya Academy Award 2019 for his book An Era of Darkness, the British Empire in India. Options are Shashi Tharoor, Romila Thapa, Vikram Seth, Ramachandra Guha. Correct answer is Shashi Tharoor. The question is, veteran freedom fighter, social reformer and feminist Savitribai Phule hailed from which of the following state of India? Options are Odisha, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Gujarat. Correct answer, Maharashtra. Which of the following is used as a substitute of mercury in thermometers? Options are selenium, arsenic, galveston, bromine. Correct answer is galveston. Who among the following was the first Indian to unfurl the tricolor on foreign land? Options are Begum Hasrat Mahal, Bikaji Kama, Annie Besant, Lakshmi Sehgal. Correct answer, Bikaji Kama. Next question is, Ajatashatru, a ruler of Ryanka dynasty, was the son of Dash. Options are Bimbisara, Aniruddha, Nagadesak, Udain. Correct answer is Bimbisara. Who among the following is credited with postulating 3 laws of planetary motion? Options are Galileo Galilei, Isaac Newton, Tycho Brahe, Johannes Kepler. Correct answer, Johannes Kepler. Which of the following diseases is caused by a parasite? Options are malaria, goiter, pneumonia, plague. Correct answer, malaria. Which of the following is also known as Epsom salt? Options are calcium sulfate, sodium sulfate, ferrous sulfate, magnesium sulfate. Correct answer, magnesium sulfate. In which year was the foundation stone for the Gateway of India laid in Bombay? Options are 1920, 1915, 1913, 1905. Correct answer, 1913. Which of the following festivals means merry making of the gods? Options are Diwali, Lai, Harauba, Pongal, Makar Sankranti. Correct answer, Lai, Harauba. In which district of Karnataka is the Brahmagiri Wildlife Sanctuary located? Options are Mandya, Udupi, Hassan, Kodagu. Correct answer, Kodagu. Next, under which of the following amendments to the Constitution of India is defection to another party after election made illegal? Options are 92, 61, 52, 86. Correct answer, 52. Which of the following is a water-soluble vitamin? Options are vitamin K, vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin D. Correct answer, vitamin C. Which of the following viceroys of India addressed the Bengal famine of 1943 by ordering the army to distribute relief supply to the starving rural Bengalis? Options are Lord Mountbatten, Lord Linlithgow, Lord Wavell, Lord Wellington. Correct answer, Lord Linlithgow. Next question, halogens have dash electrons in their outermost shells? Options are 5, 6, 8, 7. Correct answer, 7. Ozone at the higher level of the atmosphere is a product of dash acting on oxygen molecules. Options are gamma rays, X-rays, UV radiation, IR radiation. Correct answer, UV radiation. Who among the following is the author of the book Democrats and Dissenters? Options are Arun Shuri, Ramachandra Guha, Nalini Singh, Gurucharan Das. Correct answer is Ramachandra Guha. Okay friends,
That's all. Hope this video is very useful for you. If you like the video, please like it. Write down your valuable comments, suggestions and queries. Share this video with your friends. If you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please support by subscribing the channel for more videos like this. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.